Hi friends, today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite face creams, and it's by Innisfree. It's their youth-enriched cream with orchid. I really love this cream for multiple reasons. Affordable pricing, great formula, and it has tons of hyaluronic acid in it. So I love it for all of those reasons combined, and obviously I love the way that it looks on my skin, and it makes the way my skin look plumped and hydrated. So this is the original packing. Once you open it up inside, it's this gorgeous purple. Who doesn't love purple, right? So it's this gorgeous purple bottle. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. Just a little bit is all you need. It goes a long way. And the thing I love about it is that they offer you 3 options depending on your skincare type. So just a little bit of face cream. I rub it in my hands, start at my neck, just go up the face and around, rub it in. Love a little massage at the same time. And you can see that, it gives my face a nice little glow.